All right. Get in the house.
God, I don't know where your baby. Come on, baby. Get it out. Where's the... Yeah, baby. Where's my baby now? Just take the baby. Take the baby and run. No time for this.
Come on. Let's just go and get the baby right now. Get the baby. I gotta take care of this. Some shit I do know how to do right here. Oh shit! Brakes! Come on, man, you almost shot me. Shit. Could've fucked around and shot me. But I didn't. I guess I owe you one, huh? I guess you do. Yeah. Oh man, this trick shoulder, man. It's just, from the gunshot, I got reflexes. I can't really control my shit. I suppose I had that coming. It's okay. Just get that piece of shit out of here. Oh, y'all did bust me upside the head with a brick. How did we did a lot more than that? You didn't touch me in different places, did you? I touch you in different places. What do you know tonight? You did a good thing for your country. Well, we need to talk about what the country's gonna do for me, you know. I ain't having a good day. Got some aspirin on you or something? What, you want chewable? You just be rolling with the shit in there. Fuck it, man. No smoking. Nah. Got some water?